Good morning everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do drive wheels on a Toro lawnmower. Now the Toros are just a little bit different, but they're still pretty easy to do. So let's get to it. And for all you new people out there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I really do appreciate it. Changing the tires on one of these is pretty easy peasy. First thing you want to do is get the back tires off the ground. You don't have to go very far off the ground, but you want to be far enough where the wheels aren't going to bump. So we're going to put it on our little jack. You could use just about anything you want. You could use a floor jack or a box for that matter. You could use the box the wheels came in. So let's go ahead and pull the first one off. Now when you do this, you're going to want to walk around the gears and make sure there's no old grass or debris in the gears. Okay, we know the gears are nice and clean now, so let's go ahead and put the new wheel on. See, make sure your center piece is in here. Whoops. Make sure your center piece is in here. Lay the wheel on it until they touch. And then when you do this, make sure you start the threads before you hit it if you're using an impact gun. See, now we know we've got our thread started, so we can safely use this on it. And there we go. So let's move around to the other side and do the other one. Okay, let's get the wheel off on this side. And now, just like the other one, before we put the new one on, up you can see this one's got more dirt in it than the other side had. Okay, that gear looks pretty good. So let's pull this apart and put the new tire on. And you see, outside of cleaning the gears, this really is a really quick job. But that's a step you don't want to skip. Now that was pretty easy. And don't forget, when you're doing drive wheels, check the dust covers, and if they're in one piece, use them. If they're not, replace them. And also make sure you clean the gears, because that can tear up your new gears and your wheels pretty quick. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.